order to get your real estate license, you need to do a couple things. Of those things, you need 180 hours of coursework. That includes 6 different courses of 30 hours each. You need to submit an application to the Texas Real Estate Commission, which is an online website. You need to submit a background check by giving your fingerprints. And then you need to sign up for an exam, which has a 2-part exam, which is a state and national exam that you need to pass. In total, you need to pass about 8 different tests in order to get your real estate license. You can do it in person or online. I chose to do mine online because of the convenience. It's also more affordable. However, there's different options as well when you're doing it online. You have Aceable, which is a popular one. Real Estate Express. I chose what's called Real Estate U. Okay, so coursework. Here's how it looks like. It's 180 hours. It's 6 different tests. Each course is 30 hours. You have to sit through online every single second of the 30 hours. After that, you need to sign up and pay a $15 charge in order to do an exam to finish that course. So if you fail, you can take it again. If you fail it twice, you have to redo the whole course. So you don't want to fail it more than once. After you finish with the 6 courses, then you can go ahead and do the next step, which is obtain your background check and apply for your state exam. It's not hard, honestly. It's not rocket science. It's just a lot of information. So if you just learn a little and just stay consistent, then you'll be ready. You'll be more than ready. Vocabulary terms are super important, and you don't have to know exactly what like the term means inside and out, but you have a basic idea what like seller finance is, what the FHA means, or key terms that they're asking you to know. Then you should be able to handle the questions good. So there's no way around it. You have to learn the material that it's asking you to learn in order to pass the quizzes and the course exams. But whether you want to learn in class with a teacher or online, it's up to you. So here's how the process looks. You have to take your course, you have to submit an application, you have to do a background check, and then when you have all those packaged, then the TREC, which is the Texas Real Estate Commission, will give you a green light and the permission to sign up for your state and national exam, in which then you can go online and find the earliest or most convenient time and place to take the test. The test consists of 2 parts, the state and national exam, which you have to pass both. If you fail one or the other, you don't have to take that one. You just have to take the other. But if you fail it more than twice or 3 times, I believe you have to take some of the courses again. Good?